Hey y'all, welcome back. I hope that you are enjoying the holiday season with your friends and your family. So I wanted to chat with you today about the 31 business opportunity. This time of year, people are thinking about how they can make extra money, right? Money talks to me for sure. It's definitely a motivator for me, and I know for most people that it is. But it's not a motivator for some people. And so I want you to think about the 31 business opportunity and what it might do for you. So whether you need to make some extra money to pay for the holiday season, the gifting season, maybe you have put a lot of gifts on credit cards and you want a way to be able to work a little bit extra on the side and pay off some of these bills. Maybe you just need some girl time. You need a little outlet, something for you. Maybe your whole life is doing things for others and you want something for you. Maybe you want a way to be able to give back. I love doing fundraisers and being able to give back to those in need, or just to celebrate someone else. And we definitely love to do that at the holiday season. So maybe it's you just want to know everything first from 31. Like this is all of these reasons are kind of like all why I do 31. I love extra money. I love the girl time. I love being able to know things first, and I love being able to give back. There are so many things and celebrating each other. That's our mission with 31, is to celebrate, encourage, and reward women. And that's something that I didn't know that I loved doing until I started doing it. I'm like, wow, I love this. It uplifts me and it uplifts other people. So I love my job with 31. It's been a blessing to my family, and I love sharing that blessing with other women just like you. So if you're interested in the 31 business opportunity, we can definitely chat and see if 31 might be a fit for you. I'm an open book. I will answer any question that you send my way, and so I'd love to chat and see if it just might work for you. Now, we actually have, if you are truly considering the business opportunity, we have to get you enrolled, right? So when you enroll, you get to choose one of 3 enrollment kits. Okay. Now, when you're on, say you're going to join under me, you want me to be your sponsor. When you're on my website, you'll click to enroll, and then it'll ask you for your information and ask you what kit that you would like to choose. Now, you're not going to be ordering your kit right then. After you complete the enrollment process, then you will go in and order your kit separately. That's sometimes confusing for some folks. But just to kind of give you a little breakdown of the kits, I'm going to link above my video on all the enrollment kits. It's like a detailed video. But this is basically this is our basic bestsellers kit. So this is a $59 kit valued at $261. This comes with our top selling products in this kit. You'll see that Benjamin's wallet. You'll see our large utility tote. And what's great about our enrollment kits is you get to choose your own personalization and your own prints. So you get to choose the prints that you would like, and then the items that come personalized, there's a few in each kit. You get to choose your own personalization, okay? This is our signature Fan Faves Kit. I about dropped my paper. This is our $99 kit valued at $431. So you'll see the same items from the first kit in this one. You just have more added onto this one, okay? And then the last enrollment kit is this is our ultimate goal getter kit. This is a $179 kit valued at $769. So love this kit. You got our stand tall bin, you got our window shopper, so many amazing products in this kit. And so we set you up for success from the very beginning with 31. We give you those top selling kits. We give you the business in a box. So catalogs, order forms, things like that help you get started off strong. And of course, you'll get me. I'll help you with your launch party. We'll do it together online, and I will coach you every step of the way. So I hope that if you are thinking about the business opportunity, watch a couple of my videos. I'll link them at the end. And I have a frequently asked questions video. I have that enrollment kit video, and then you can reach out to me. I'll link below all of my contact information, so you can reach out to me and we can see if 31 might be a fit for you. I'd love to help you get started this holiday season and throughout, and really see the blessing of 31 in your family. So I hope that you have a wonderful day, a Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for watching. See y'all soon. Bye.